section, the number 5 section of the main boom. This is about 50 meters. So what we are doing now is to arrange the wire up because it's twisted wire up, so we are going to untwist the wire, arrange the wire from the drum. So by the way, this is AC 100/4L Terex Demag, 100 tons. So we extend full extend the boom and then arrange the wire up. This is the wire drum, guys. Number 2 is for the auxiliary wire drum. This is the first hoist drum, the main hoist drum. So this is the problem. The wire rope is twisting. So we're going to untwist the wire rope, especially during lifting. AC 100/4L. Hoisting, that is the wire rope that is always twisting during lifting. So we hoist it down. Now hoist up. Tons plus capacity.